So first, we're going to start with data analysis. I have a list of data over here. A data set is very simple, very small. This is just customer feedback from a restaurant. And I'm going to tell ChatGPT to analyze the data and tell it exactly what I'd like it to analyze and the result, how I want the results presented to me. Now, I'm going to prompt in a way that works for this exercise. There are many ways to prompt. Don't get hung up on prompting right now. I'm going to, in the next section, teach you way more about prompting. I'm just doing some basic prompting here. This data set of customer reviews from a restaurant. So I'm telling it a little bit about my data set. Give me the top 5 themes, notable quotes, and next steps to take based on feedback. All right. So let's see what happens. There, I just copy and pasted it in here. Food quality. All right, mixed themes, several complaints about the food being not so great, alongside some positive remarks, notable quotes, not tasty, texture was nasty, shrimp was tender and moist. It's just such a notable quote. Okay, so you can see here, I just got an analysis really quickly on my data, which is great. Little bit of an asterisk here. Not all data analysis is as effective on ChatGPT. Couple of things. One, quantitative isn't as good. So quantitative, sometimes it gets it right, sometimes it doesn't. And when I say quantitative, I mean counting. I mean adding. It doesn't do well at math. So count the number of ones. Let's see what happens if it gets it right. You provided, okay, it's counting the number of ones. It may be taking me literally here, is actually counting it. Okay, so there's 31 ones in this list. You go over this list, there are 26. So I ran an Excel count on it. There are 26. So you can start to see it's not really good at counting how many zeros. Okay, so it's going to count. It's literally going to count them. I just 17 and no, there's not. So add all of the ones and zeros together. So you can start to see here, do not rely on ChatGPT for math, okay? Or counting, or if you're doing financial projections. Not a great use of ChatGPT and generative AI in the whole. So we are adding these numbers together and you can see it's actually a little stuck. 31 ones. Okay, so no, that's not correct. So just a reminder on data analysis, it's better on textual data, not quantitative data, so not so much numbers.